Hi, I'm Chloe and today I'm going to show you how to apply several male and female Smiffy's wigs. I'm going to show you how to prepare your hair, how to apply the wig and care instructions so you can wear your wig again and again. And I also might throw in some secret tips. Let's get started. So first we're going to show you how to prepare your hair before you apply your wig. If you're on your own, it's easier to put in 2 plaits, but just make sure all your hair's scraped off the front of your head. What I've done here is I've already put her hair in 2 plaits and pinned one up. So we're just going to pin the other one up as well. The plaits are really good because it gives a good anchorage to hold your wig in when it's on. Don't worry about any excess hair like these bits sticking up because they'll be put down when you've applied the wig cap. Okay? So once that's there, you get your Smiffy's wig cap and you pull it down from the front and pull it all the way to the back. And it's stretchy so it will fit all shapes and sizes. Okay? And then with a tail comb or your fingers, just pop all the excess hair back into the wig cap. Make sure that the front of your wig cap's pulled back, just to where your own natural hairline is. And once you've done that, you're ready to apply your wig. So the first wig I'm going to show you is the Smiffy's Desire wig from their Glam collection. If you gently pull the wig out of the package, it will come in a net. Take the net off, place it to the side because you'll need that for later. Once you've got your wig out of the packet, just run your fingers through the hair to detangle it. Don't use the brush because you don't want to brush out the curls. Once you're satisfied, just pop it on the end of your bed or on a banister, or if you have a mannequin block, that's also really good. And just leave it there for about 30 minutes so it can just drop into the style that it's supposed to be in. Take the front of the wig, place it on the front of the head and pull it all the way down to the nape of your neck. Once you've done this, just take the side and make sure it's pulled all the way down and it's actually even. Now we're going to anchor the wig. When you anchor the wig, make sure you anchor it down by the temples and the nape of the neck. You can always add in a few more pins depending on if you're going out dancing or anything like that, just to make it a bit more sturdy. Just take your pin, pop it through the wig lace and into your hair and the wig cap, and then you're ready to style it. So once you're happy with your style, then you're ready to go out, and that's the Desire wig from the Glamour range. And next up, I'm going to show you the Smiffy's 70s blonde wig. Again, take it from the front, pull it all the way over the back to the nape of the neck, making sure the ears are tucked out. Remember your anchorage points, temples and the nape. Once you've anchored it and made sure the position's okay, you can start to style it. You can use a brush on this one, but make sure you don't use a brush down at the bottom where the curls are. Use your fingers. A good secret tip is to use a tumble drying sheet. This gets rid of any frizz or staticness of the wig. Just rub it gently down the wig. It will also leave a nice smell at the end. And that's the 70s blonde wig. And finally for the ladies, we have this heat resistant wig from the Fever range, my favourite. And I'd like to show you these ones because they're very different, because you can style them yourself with heat appliances, straighteners, heated rollers. So we're going to put it on the same way as the other wigs, from the front to the back. Now these wigs come in all different shapes and styles, come in different colours, so there's one to fit everyone. Again, make sure the wig is in the correct place. It's anchored down at all the places we've spoken about before. And once this is done, then you're ready to style it and make it your own. From using straighteners to heated rollers as I've done here, there's an enormous variety of different styles that you can apply to each of your Fever wigs. So to remove your fever wig, once you finish partying, make sure you gently take out the pins from all the anchor points. Remove any pins from your hairstyle and slip the wig from the back to the front. And there you go. And now moving on to the men, we're going to start with this Smiffy's hippie wig. Once again, you start with your wig cap, making sure all excess hair is back. And then pull the wig from the front to the nape of the neck. This one just needs brushing through with your fingers. Make sure the centre parting's in the middle of your head. Make sure any loose ends of hair are pulled out, and again you get your anchor points with the pins. If you've got any static hair, just brush down with one of these tumble drying sheets. This will put any static hair back to where it should be. Once you've got your wig to how you want it to be, then your hippie wig is ready to go. And now we're moving on to the 70s guys Smiffy wig, which also comes with a stick-on moustache. Again, you've got your wig cap already on. You get your wig from the banister or the mannequin head, wherever you've left it for 30 minutes. And then again, put all the pins in the anchor points and make sure the wig is positioned in the right place. Some of these wigs may need more pruning than others. But just run your tail comb through the back. And then finish it off with a bit of hairspray so it can stay in place. This wig also comes with a moustache, which comes with a sticky back. So just peel that off and apply. And then once you've applied your moustache, your 70s man is complete. And finally for the men, we're moving on to the Smiffy's Funky Afro. This one needs more of a shaking out because obviously it's packed down and you want to make it into the perfect afro. You can see where the back of the wig is because it's got a label attached. So make sure the label's at the back. You put it at the front, pull it down all the way to the nape of the neck. Again, anchor it in at certain points, making sure it's in the right position. And then preen it until your heart's content. Just pull it out. You can always trim off any excess hair. This one doesn't really need hairspraying because it can stay in the same place. Just make sure all the curls are pulled out. And there you go, it's the funky afro wig. So to get the best of your Smiffy's wig so you can wear it again and again, just follow these simple care instructions. Once you finish partying and you want to wash your wig, just get a bowl of cold water, gently dip your wig into that bowl and wash it with a mild shampoo, maybe a baby shampoo, in gentle stroking motions so it covers all of the hair. Once you've covered the hair with the shampoo, just dip it in again until all the water has rinsed off all the shampoo. So once you've got it completely clean, just finger comb it through and then leave it on a banister to dry naturally. If you don't have a banister or the end of your bed, just place it flat on a towel just to leave to dry. Once it's completely dry, just gently fold it back and put it back in the packaging that it came into until you're ready to wear it again. I hope you found this tutorial very helpful and it's been beneficial to know how to apply and style your Smiffy's wigs. If you want to check out the full range of Smiffy's wigs, then just head online at smiffys.com.